divided into different layers. So we're going to read about each one of them. The first layer is the crust. It is the outermost solid part of the earth, basically this region over here. It is brittle in nature because during an earthquake, it is the crust that breaks easily, causing a fault. And we know that the density of material increases as we go more and more deep. Therefore, the materials which are available in the crust have low density. The thickness of the crust varies under the oceanic and continental areas. And this is obvious because ocean is like a cavity filled with water. If you remember Mariana Trench in the Pacific, it is the deepest known part of the world's oceans with a depth of 10,994 meters, almost 11 kilometers downwards. The mean thickness of oceanic crust is 5 km, whereas that of the continental is around 30 km. So if you drill on the ocean bed and you go 5 kilometers deep, probably you will touch the next layer of the earth, which is the upper mantle. Similarly, if you drill on a continental crust, it will take around 30 kilometers to reach the upper mantle. Again, the thickness of the crust will be more near the areas of mountains, and you can figure out as to why. It is as much as 70 km thick in the Himalayan region. Again, we know that Himalaya was formed due to the collision of plates. When two continental plates collide, it folds the rocks at the boundary, lifting it up and leading to formation of mountains and ranges. Therefore, the thickness of the crust in these regions will be naturally higher. The second layer is the mantle. This region over here is called as the mantle. So right from the end of the crust till the outer core is a region that is 2,900 km thick. The upper portion of the mantle is called asthenosphere, but this region and the crust together is called lithosphere. Astheno means weak, and due to its weakness, the magma finds way to the surface during volcanic eruption. Now the total thickness of the crust and upper mantle, which is also known as the lithosphere, is 200 km. The lower mantle extends beyond the asthenosphere and it is in solid state. This layer is also responsible for all of Earth's volcanic and seismic activity because 2,900 km thickness is pretty spacious area for the formation of such natural catastrophes. Now laboratory experiments on rocks and minerals say that between 100 and 200 kilometers below the Earth's surface, the temperature of the rock is near the melting point. Therefore, molten rock erupted by some volcanoes originates in this region of the mantle. Remember this, the core of the Earth consists of nickel and iron, but here in the mantle, it is the molten rock that is fluid and can move. It is this fluidity that powers the movement of the tectonic plates of the Earth's crust. The third and the final layer is the core. Core comprises of the inner as well as outer core. Now moments back we have read the thickness of the mantle is 2,900 km. So after that immediately the boundary of outer core will begin. The outer core is in liquid state while the inner core is in solid state. I've made a short video on this curious question. If at all you are interested in finding out the answer, head to the link in the description and find out.